So yeah, so this is actually the product that I really wanted to use, which was the edge control. It smells good. It smells really good. So yeah, so excuse me while I swoop my edges. I haven't met an edge control that does a job like Edge Booster does. So if this actually does an amazing job like Edge Booster does, I would definitely recommend it. As of right now, we're gonna do 2 tests. We're gonna try it on right now, and then I'm gonna run errands, and I'm gonna come back and let you know the vibes, okay? So the edge control, let's see. Oh, I like the brush. Maybe I put too much. This is a bit confusing for me. I put makeup on too. I like my edge brushes to be very rough. This one is like in the middle. It's very, ooh, okay. Okay, I see. Okay. Of course, I have makeup on, so we're gonna be struggling a little bit. But I do see, y'all see that swoop? I know you see that swoop. I see that swoop. I know you see that swoop. Hey, I see that swoop. I know you see that swoop. But yeah, so far so good. I love how, oh yeah, this is a vibe. So the edge control was actually pretty well. Like it was actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It didn't give that greasy, shiny effect that most edge control that I've used in the past give. It was very easy to work with. The comb itself was also easy to work with, but then again, it was kind of confusing because I was looking at the camera mirror instead of, you know, me actually doing it in front of the mirror myself. But I am gonna say it does a great slick. I do want to try this out with my actual, you know, ponytail hairstyles. I do have another review after this one right here in the same video, like, you know, after this part right here, where I tell you how it actually came out, how it lasted during the day. I went out, I sweated, I did all what I needed to do, running errands, and that review will come up so you can see what it do, baby. But so far so good. I am gonna say I'm still using the edge control as we speak. Like as of today, I just want to see if, you know, it does what it says it does as far as like edges and stuff like that. But I am gonna give it a good 8 for right now. You know, just the fact that it did what it did. It slicked the back, no grease, no nothing. Baby was looking good, looking fabulous. So I'm back, sweaty, and I feel disgusted. But the goal for this review right here, I wanted to break it down into the fresh edge control, you know, the fresh edge slickety slick vibe where it was like, you know, all pulled back and whatever. And also the after. If you don't know, I use the Edge Booster edge control, and that edge control works amazing for my edges. And even when I sweat, my edge are slickety slick with the Edge Booster. And I wanted to see if this one does the same thing. Of course, I feel like I overdid myself today, and you can see that we had a little bit of you know, moment. And yeah, so far I am going to say this though. I'm going to say this and be completely honest. I was not expecting for this to be the way it was. The first time I had a slickety slick. The slick was slick, okay? The slick was slick. And I'm very curious to see how well this would, you know, play out with like my slick buns, or just the buns, or the hairstyle, the ponytails. And I want to see how well it will play out if I was to bring them into the mix, or bring this into the mix. And I feel like it will play out really well, because the way the slick was, the slick was slicking. Okay,
the edges were slicking. And I would definitely recommend anyone that is trying to grow their edges, because I do want to use this for a good month. And actually not a month, I want to use this for 90 days, and I want to see how well this will grow my edges after 90 days. And then I want to come back and really give you an update review on the serum, and also what I call this earlier, we ain't gonna think about it. The serum and also the edge control together. Not together, but you know, overall process of how my hair and my edges are doing while using these two products. And I am going to say that I did appreciate the hold. Okay, when I say the edges was slicking, the hold was great. Okay, and especially if you are a person, especially if you live in a hot weather type of environment, like the humidity is crazy, I would definitely try this out and see if it works for you. I know some edges sometimes comes with that oily effect, like after a couple hours it starts to get a bit oily and shiny, and then like your edge start doing this. But I am gonna say this, it didn't do that with this. Of course, I had a lot of hair out because I ain't got no more edges, so I had to get my adult hair to do the slick. But because the edges were partially adult hair, I would say it still did the job. I actually do appreciate how it ended out. As far as the edge control, it's great. I want to make 2 videos using this product. I'm going to also do my slick back, my buns, my ponytail using the edge control. And I'm also going to apply this on my scalp before bed in the morning, just to see what it make it do, what it do, baby. And this is the only item that I'm gonna use for 30 days, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna talk about it if it's great for you to use. I know you like that. I know you like that note. But yeah, overall I'll give it a good 8.5. Not a 10 yet, but an 8.5 is what I will give it. I like it, my edges like it. Hopefully we grow back some baby hairs, because right now the adult hairs are turning into senior hair, and we don't want to lose all the hair. We don't. But yeah, so that's my thoughts on it. A good 8.5.